Good morning, I'm Francois Quereuil from Aspera. We're here on the Aspera stand at IBC 2017, and I'm in front of our video wall where we're showcasing one of the key new things about Aspera this year, our new streaming technology. And if you can see behind me, one screen looks really bad and the other one looks really good. They're both being transmitted with different technologies over the same internet network. The idea here is that our fast stream technology is capable of replacing basically a satellite transmission using a commodity internet network. So this is very, very powerful, high quality, zero delay, glitch-free streaming technology. Part of what we're showing as well is the integration of this technology with some key partners in the world of technology for media and entertainment. So one of the first integrations that's happened before IBC is with Telestream. Telestream is a big player in the industry and have decided to integrate the fast stream technology into their Vantage platform. The idea here is, let's say you have to broadcast a live event, a live sports event. You would put the Telestream Vantage Lightspeed live capture box at the venue. It will simultaneously capture all the video streams and stream them over the internet to a remote production team that will be able to ingest it live into Adobe Premiere or Avid Media Composer. And this is extremely powerful because you'll be able to use just a commodity internet line to do remote editing and packaging of something that's happening near live.
Here we have a server that is located in Utah in the Aspera office. It's taking in an SDI live video feed and encoding it to a 50 megabit XDCAM file. While that happens, it will simultaneously be transferred to the show floor here in Amsterdam, where we will ingest it and rewrap it into a MXF file compatible with Adobe Premiere. And in a few seconds, that output will become available, and I can drop it into Adobe Premiere and begin cutting and editing the content. There's an initial startup time of generally about 25 seconds to establish the connection and begin the transfer. Once that happens, the transfer will begin to catch up with itself. You can see a previous transfer here, and we can see it ran at a higher bit rate until we've caught up with the live video feed, where it drops down and begins to average the equivalent transfer rate of the file bit rate. To give you an idea of how far behind we end up, if we look at the time code carefully, we can see that we're at 15:42:16, and if I go to the end of the available file in Premiere, we're at 42:59. That was 16 seconds behind the live video feed being captured in Utah is available for editing in the file here in Amsterdam.
But streaming is not the only new stuff that we have at IBC this year. Part of our technologies also have to do with file transfer. So that's what Aspera is actually known for. Let's moving very large video files over long distance at maximum speed. And part of it enables our customers to use the cloud to store assets, to use the cloud processing power to do media transformation, etc. And if we go around a little bit, and I'm not going to give you a demo of all these things because it would be far more boring than this. The transfer service that you see in the middle here is basically a sort of a high-speed FedEx for the cloud, and it's now available on all the clouds out there. So you have it available for Google, for Amazon, for Microsoft Azure, and of course for the IBM Bluemix cloud, because Aspera is an IBM company. We currently have customers using this service and transferring well over 100 terabytes per day to the cloud. Another thing, Aspera is really well known, and because our technology really is a core enabling technology for the media industry, a lot of other companies decide to integrate Aspera into their own products. And if you look in the back here, we have examples of some of these companies. Fortium is a content security company. They've integrated Aspera to facilitate the transfer of assets. So MediaSeal is now integrated with Aspera technology. If you look to the right, we have T21 is showcasing the first integration of our streaming technology into hardware boxes. Now we're very excited about this particular integration because it's the first time that our codec is being put directly into a hardware device. Apollo is actually one of our customers, and they've created a new platform to basically look at content, look at advertising content, and better interpret and analyze the feedback they're getting from consumers and viewers. And all of that is powered by Aspera in the background for all the content movement. And what's also interesting at IBC this year is we have joined forces with other divisions of IBM that we work with. IBM Cloud Object Storage behind me over there. They are compatible with Aspera. And on the way there, we also have solutions by the IBM Cloud Video Group. This one is particularly interesting because we're previewing the use of our FastStream technology to directly ingest in real time into the Ustream platform for video delivery. So that's very exciting to us. And the Cloud Object Storage folks over there. But I actually think that's a good tour of what we have going on. So thank you for your time.